The long-term success of SUNY Morrisville is dependent upon our ability to build the capacity of the college while embracing institutional efficiency. Maximizing campus resources and infrastructure, diversifying funding sources, examining areas of energy consumption, continuous learning opportunities, and non-degree seeking coursework are vital areas of long-term institutional success. Supporting operational improvement initiatives enables SUNY Morrisville to proactively address the institution's long-term well-being.
Both the unique facilities we have and the enterprises that we run on campus with students help to support the type of education that we have always had at the college. When our students leave Morrisville with our on-site learning laboratories and our internship experiences, they not only leave with a set of skills that are relevant for the career paths they choose, but they're confident in that knowledge. They know how to do things that the employer asks them to do because they've already done it here as part of their curricular studies at the college.
We invite you to learn more about these initiatives and contact a member of our team to discuss how you can be a part of these transformational opportunities.